What's up, YouTube? This is the Baker Family Baker Cake. This is the Baker Family Baker Cake setup this year. We have quite a bit of cakes to do our small show. 500 gram. We have Loud and Proud, The Sound of a Cannon, Game Over, two of those, two Loud and Prouds. We got a couple more. One up by Land, by Great American Fireworks. Publicity stunt. The store I buy from, they don't carry that anymore, so those were the last two. You got Wind Up. It's all 500 gram cakes. Finale Rack, Wacky Tobacco, 9-shot, 3-inch. Believe by World Class, 9-shot, Finale Rack. Then Get Some is my personal favorite for Finale. Some new stuff, Victory Day by American Class Fireworks, or the Great American Fireworks. And I have 3 of the 2F Got 3 Patriotic Fanfare, 25-shot, 350 gram cakes. Then we have some fans. This is Comet Storm at the bottom. Those are the effects it shows on there. Pretty nice. Celebrate Freedom. Downtown Display. Some of my favorites. And then I have some 200 gram cakes. Got 15 of them. They just in a pack. They all separated. It's Journey to Mars and Patriotic Melody. These are 16 shots, and these are 25 shots. And then we have a nice big fan cake called 300. It's pretty big. And some other stuff in the box. But I'll show y'all that on the setup day. But this fireworks setup, my fireworks stash for 2020. Baker cake. We hope y'all enjoy.